S for strawberry. O for orange. P for pomegranate. B for banana. W for watermelon. P for pineapple. A for avocado. A for apple. P for peach. D for dragon fruit. P for pear. K for kiwi. C for custard apple. M for mango. G for guava. G for grapes. C for cherry. P for papaya. G for grapefruit. M for mulberry. S for sugarcane. R for raspberry. Friends, hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share.